gonna say girl power, but now look. She's like, I'm out of here now. Hey, babies. Hey, what are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? So here I come. Hey, what you doing? What you doing in there, huh? Beeps, go. No, no kisses. Uh-oh. So there's a couple of toys in there, and they actually have been playing with all of them but the little green plastic monster. That little green plastic monster, nobody plays with that thing. I may as well go ahead and get rid of it. Oh, tear him up, hit him. Go ahead, sneak attack, punch him, get him. That's the only way. That there's no such thing as a fair fight. No, that's right. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Don't you dare try to climb over that. That's there for a reason. I can't get sidetracked by your cuteness. I have to stay on task this morning. Uh-oh, see? Okay. I thought I would come in and video your babies because we haven't videoed them since their eyes have been open. Faith, you want to come out? That way I can come in? Faith, do you want to come out? Come on. Come out. Oh, you're such a little turd. Come on, I can't fit. All right, I'll work around you because lay down. Say hey. See, if you're going to get in the way, I'm going to kick you out. Hey, what the? Maybe it was a bird hitting the glass? Maybe. I hope not. Well, me too. Well, that would, yeah. Okay, I'm not going to think about that right now. Oh, babies, did I scare you when I screamed like that? Come out, come out. Come on. You know who I am. Come on, I gave you guys a bottle last night. So, yeah, sometimes I'll supplement puppies and give them a bottle. Faith hadn't been feeling 100%. She's still willing to give 100%, but she's had some acid reflux and some stomach upset. So I thought, well, let me give her a break. And she actually was out of the box for a while, and that's just not her. She's back at it. I can't kick her out of here today. So these guys, their eyes are all open. Misty is, she right now is the rebel rouser. She's the one going around getting the boys all riled up. These guys are still, I mean, it's new, you know. That. Uh-oh, we got a little bit of a play getting ready to start here. So that lady's here that gave me something to eat. Yeah, look, so they remember. Yep, that's me. I know you guys just ate, so I know you got something to eat. Come here, let me hold you for a minute, huh? You are so pretty. Oh, you're kissing me. Ouch. Oh, golly, I'm going to have to clip your nails. I just did the nails on Luke and Lydia. Please don't go in, Faith. Please stay out. Faith. Faith, do you hear me talking to you? Yes, I have a baby up here. Hi. You're disobedient. Okay. So you can see some of the sables are starting to change a little bit, and this will come and go, come and go. It would be very interesting to see how they do. I will say Faith has given us a couple of litters, 4 litters, 5, 4. I'll have to go back and look. This is probably the deepest color outside of Frances. Frances had some really nice coloring, and her party pups are always nicely colored, and they hold their color pretty well. But this little boy here is probably the darkest that we've had so far. So I'll be watching him as he grows into an adult. I was going to give him a bottle, little miss. You're going to get a bath because you are filthy. Look at your face. Ugh. That's my hope today, that I can have a little bit of a grooming day with a couple of my dogs. I don't think that she has any more milk left, guys. I think you guys... Faith. See, you couldn't stay out. Alright, I'll go to the next box. Hardhead. Don't you want to be out with the others? Don't you go out? Look how filthy you are. You're going to get it today. I think you're going to be one of my easier ones. Can you move, please? Come on. Hush. I mean, move. Hustle. You're not going back in there. Okay, that's fine. Oh my gosh. Look, there's a puppy on the ledge. Are you guys dogs or cats? I think is that Nora? No, it's actually Nate, and Nora is way back there. See, this is why rails are so important, especially when the pups are tiny. Once they get to be Luke and Lydia's size, it's okay. But you can see Nora back there. So the best that Raina can do is lean against the rail. She don't have to worry about crushing any of the pups. And listen, if you have a Great Dane that you're breeding, or a Shepherd or something, large breed dog, it's very easy for them to lay on their babies. And normally I have that back railing back there. I just took that out yesterday, I think. Yesterday or the day before. They're okay without it. And look at him. He's just kissing all over his mom. Ray, do you want to come out? I had to put you in here because you can come out if you want. Let's put the door here, okay? Do you want to? You can go out if you want. Do you want to go out with the others? Go ahead, go. Skadoodle. Okay, that's fine. These guys are making a ton. Nate is just full. Oh no, now this is Nora. Look at her tail going. She's like, get up everybody. Don't you know our eyes are open and it is time to party. Oh boy. Are you peeing right there? So I don't know if you guys know this or not. I don't know. I could be repeating myself. But newborn pups, they can't go to the bathroom without their mother helping them. And that's why you see the mama dog cleaning her pups all the time. So without a mom to do that, a pup can't go. And they will eventually die from that. So then they get to a point where they can go on their own. These guys are just getting to that point where they can squat and pee on their own. Hey. Hey. Look. Do you hear your sister over there? That's Lydia. Or your brother. I don't know which one. Hey. Were you causing a ruckus? What are you crying for? Because nobody will play with you? Come here, Miss Nia. Here, you want your sister? There's your sister. Say, no, I don't want her. Yeah. No, I don't have anything for you. You guys just think I have food. I want to hold you and rub on you. Come here. You come over here. Let me wake Nikki up. Come on, babies. Oh boy. Whew. Nikki, we haven't gotten to see your pretty eyes. Let's see if we can get a picture of your face. These guys have just eaten, so chances are it's time to sleep. I'll try to get video of them later on playing. Right now, though, Nora she's the one. Oh, there she goes. I think she might be down for the count. I see that sticking up. Hey. Hello. I only have one hand. Come here, Nia. Let me see. Hi. Look how tiny your head is. Yeah. I don't have anything for you. I'm trying to rub on you. Come here, Nikki. Hey, did I wake you up? I'm going to try to turn off the light. See, you guys might not be able to see their eyes so well, but I don't want the light shining into their newly opened eyes. It just you are a little greedy girl. You just ate. All right. How about you? Gosh, you got me. Give it back. Okay. Hey, Nikki. So every now and again, you'll have, like, the whole litter will be sleeping, there'll be one puppy up. And then that one puppy will be asleep and the rest of the litter will be up. So that's Nikki in this litter. We'll have to get her on the same schedule as everybody else. Hey guys. Okay. Here you go. Nate, you know what? I don't think I got you. Well, let's wake you up too. Hey, say why me? Because your mama wants to see you. Let me see. Say hey. His pigment isn't all the way in. And a couple of them, their pigment is not all the way in. But it will. Nora, you're very active today. Yes. Well, that's a big yawn. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So yeah, I like my belly scratch. These guys definitely like their belly scratch, and he making no bones about it. He just fell right out in the middle of everything and is now asleep. Okay, so we'll make sure there's not a shy one in this bunch. Hey, Miss Faith. You ruined my whole party over there. Look at everybody now. Sleep. Okay? Let me see. Are you still awake? Because you should be asleep. Oh, look at him. He likes comfort. I'm just letting you know now. This ball right here, he likes to make that his pillow. I guess he's using the monkey and the actually, I think there are two monkeys. Oh, what? I'm not even talking about you. he's got two stuffed animals underneath him right now, so he's very, very comfortable. What? Hey, Lydia. Hey, do you want me to come get you? Hey. You can go attack your brother while he's asleep. Uh-oh. He's asleep, baby. Oh, I thought she was going to jump on him. That was very nice. Okay, she's, I think, down for the count. She should be tired. Look at that beautiful tail she's got. Okay, I think that's it for her. All right, let me go and do my reading. I'll upload this and send it out.